Hello guys, I hope you are doing really well. Today I have with me the new Apple iPad Pro 13-inch with standard glass, and this is European version. So today I'm going to do the unboxing for this Apple iPad Pro, and I will also show you a small difference between EU version and US version. So let's start. So I will open the seal from this side and from the other side. And now I will open the box. So here you can see we have space black Apple iPad Pro, and let's see what other items are included in the box. So you can see we have this Type-C charging cable, but this EU version does not include any power adapter. So this is the main difference between US version and EU version. So you have to buy the power adapter separately, and then here we have the user manual inside this box, and I will also show you from the back side of this box, and it is also written over here that power adapter sold separately. And now I will remove this paper cover from my Apple iPad Pro 13-inch. So here you can see I have this space black 13-inch Apple iPad Pro. So you can see at the back side we have aluminium frame, and you can see it is collecting my fingerprints. So you can see these spots on the back side and also on the Apple logo. So it is collecting the fingerprints. Now I will show you the thickness for this Apple iPad Pro, and I will compare it with Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra. So here I have Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra, and here I have new Apple iPad Pro 13-inch. Okay, so you can see the difference between their thickness. So I will just put them together and then you can have a closer look. So this side I have Samsung Tab S9 Ultra, and here I have Apple iPad Pro. So you can see the difference between their thickness. And now I will show you the thickness from top. So here on this side I have Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra, and on the other side I have Apple iPad Pro. So you can see the difference between their thickness. You can also see the size difference from backside for Tab S9 Ultra and Apple iPad Pro. So you can see the Tab S9 Ultra is 14.6 inch and Apple iPad Pro is 13 inch. So here you can see the length of Tab S9 Ultra is bigger, but if I put my Tab S9 Ultra on top of Apple iPad Pro 13 inch, you can see from this side the Apple iPad Pro is bigger. So you can see, so about this size the Apple iPad Pro is bigger. So this iPad is 256 GB with standard glass, and it is Wi-Fi version. So the price for this iPad is 1,589 euros, and this iPad has Ultra Retina Tandem OLED display with 120 Hz of refresh rate. The weight for this iPad is 579 grams, and it has new M4 chipset. The rear camera for Apple iPad Pro is 12 megapixel wide, and you can see the bump is also refined. So on the side of Apple iPad Pro we have these volume buttons, and then on top we have this power button, and here we have two stereo speakers. Okay, and at the bottom we also have another two speakers, and here we have this Type-C charging port. And now I will turn on my iPad Pro. So here is the power button. I will press and hold it like this. So the iPad will turn on now. So you can see the iPad is turned on. So everything is working perfectly fine. So here you can see the colors are vibrant, sharp and bright. So guys, later I will make a separate video about how to use this iPad. So guys, this is for today's video. Please like this video and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.